Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I have a unique one to show you. Here we have a soffit. We have squirrels living in the soffit. There's nothing unusual about that, but let me show you how they get into the soffit. This is a screened-in porch. Squirrels made a hole there, made a hole there, and made a hole over there. So the squirrels enter into the porch through the openings in the screen. Then what they were doing is they were going in between the rafters and dropping down in the soffit, because this is just open, or it was, until we put the pieces of 2x6 here. So the squirrels would enter in there, and they would enter in over here where I have my traps. So entering in here. Now once they're in the soffit, they run down that way, and then they make a left-hand turn, and they can go to the end of the house, which is 30 feet that way. Then over here, I have a temporary patch. That right there is a rafter. The squirrels chewed through it right where these blocks of wood are. Those are just there temporary to control the squirrel movement. But when we're done trapping, there'll be another one of these right here going across, and then we're going to add on a section, a rafter tail right there to make up for the fact the squirrels chewed a hole in that one. So I just got done setting up my traps. So we're trapping squirrels inside a screened-in porch, which is unusual. But we have 90% of the fix in place. And once the squirrels have been removed from the eaves, and I know there's one in there right now, the homeowner has been advised to give it some time and make sure the squirrels have stopped entering through the screen before the screen is repaired. Because I'm sure this is a nice screened-in porch for the summer. And here we have our multi-catch trap that will catch them when they go to leave. And this is a nose cone that's designed to let them in, but when they want to leave, they got to go there. So we got a one-way door set up to funnel them into the trap. Thank you. Got an update here on my porch trapping squirrels. Squirrel there. Squirrel there. And it looks like a pair of squirrels right there. So far, success. We'll reset these traps and keep on going. Thank you.